The old cream one does it better than that, the big wagon and the 360. Yeah, one more.
The black CJ5, which will be blue when it's finished, is delivered to the yard. It's stripped down and the 350 taken out, the transmission taken out, and all the wheels and diffs and everything removed. It was down to the chassis, and it was all sandblasted and looked at and put together again. Moved the magic mechanic, and Brendan, our engineer fabricator, did all of the actual building of the vehicle with assistance from Alice and myself. And we mainly looked after fabrication of the body, the fiberglass body, and fiberglass fenders and fiberglass hood. Here we have the CJ5 body tub coming together. It's an early floor, that's the flat floor before they went to a later style. As you can see, the flat floor up the top with all the ribbing finally fitted. It comes in about 3 different bits. We do the floor, we then join it to the side panels, and then we put all of the bracing inside the vehicle on the underside of the vehicle. Then it's pretty much complete, ready for painting. Alice and I have completed construction of the body and the front end panels, so now it's time to move and Brendan to do all the work on the chassis and the drivetrain. The drivetrain includes a 44 rear diff with open diff head and drum brakes on the rear, and 44 front with disc brakes. It's the 350 Chev with the Jeep medium duty transmission and Dana 20 transfer case. Oh, here's moving, Brendan, lifting the Fiberglass CJ5 body onto the CJ5 chassis. Thanks guys. Brendan and Merv did a very good job making a chassis mounted full roll cage.